morning, fellow Sierra Leoneans. This is not my sister. Anyway, we dey try to talk about this issue of the sickness. Number one of it. Every time una dey blame the government, why una no dey blame una self? Why una no dey blame una self? Two, you dey in America, you dey in England, you don hear you say this kind sickness don happen. Why you no stay home? Why you decided for Can and Sierra Leone? If you really love your country, if you really love the people where they live there, just for let una can and do propaganda for the government. We get for put these government things aside and talk about the good things. Before ever government get for protect you, now you self get for protect yourself. You dey say government not put you in a clean place, government not make a proper reservation place for you for let you can stay. In the first place, why you come on? You dey hear this kind of thing they happen. Why you come on? If they want to do any saga, they want to do anything for, why they not go wait? Or they go do one where they send for you the video, or why they not go wait? This all a propaganda. That they take the president in picture, that they cartoon and say, that they photocopy, that they paste them, copy and paste and say they don't get the sickness. Why salon people, why will not they learn? One, the last time we get Ebola in that country, we know how many people this sick has to kill. And God don't help us that this kind of sick, enter inside our country. It's why we not go be the people for guide yourself and protect yourself. Why you say this kind of sick, why you travel, why you cannot salon so that you go talk and show the government do. Anyway, the government miss una. It miss una. Una get for stay there, una get for do the quarantine. So we not care whether you come on America, you come on England, you come on Jericho, you come on Rome, you come on every part of your world come on. The government not care. We not care. You get for go under the quarantine. And this propaganda, it need for stop. Free yourself, free your mind. The moment you free your mind, the moment you get peace of mind. But if una dey use people against the government, una dey talk all kind of things, say the government not this, the government not that, na STPP na this. Lord left this government thing, Lord left this tribalism. This tribalism no dey pay. Lord, we all join hands together and do something good. Why you can? Why una no say this kind of thing they go on? Why you can? Why you not stay? You don't get mind try this wheresoever you did, where they don't put law for you, say stay home, though you come on and do. Which of course you know say it's not possible. You then other man in your own land, they take the order. Why your own country, they try to take the order of the government? Yes, everybody bad, everybody good, all government bad, all government good. But you as a individual, now you get for make the government good, now you get for make the government bad. So family, salon people, all come together and hold yourself so that this bad will go left and will go free with mind and work together and make things work for we. Lord, we try for abide to the rules and regulation. Lord, we left this bad act. Lord, we left this propaganda saying na SPP, na APC, they pay. Lord, we love yourself. First of all, you get for love yourself and love your neighbor. Before ever government get for come inside. Now you first get for protect yourself before government protect you. Why you come? Why you come? So that you can and talk all crap, say government don't lock you in a lunge, government don't do you this, government don't do you that. Then when you know say this kind of thing that happen, why you not stay home? Why you not stay until they declare free? But you decided for enter inside the place for can and salon, for can find a bad name, for do a propaganda. These things what they do to ourselves, it's not good. It's not really, really good. But it's not the essence of people that they copy and paste the president in pictures, say they don't get the virus, they don't get this. If anyone possibly get this virus inside Sierra Leone, you know how many thousands of people they get involved inside with this virus? You know how many thousands of people? Why would not they think? Why would not the member say the last time we get Ebola, and so amount of people and die? Some of who we lost to Papa there. Some of who lost to daddy then through this Ebola. People that lost their families, and now this kind of sick day that they try for put measures in place. When they just they talk anyhow up and down, and just they talk. Why would I know they get sense? Why Saloma know they get sense? Protect yourself first before government protect you, and we all get for abide to this law and stop this propaganda. Stop this. Sierra Leone people don't wanna stop this. And you una come on England, America, I not damn care wheresoever una come on, una go for stay inside that quality because una deserve for stay inside that quality. And stop all this blah 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 and all this internet business una they do all kinds short of rubbish stuff. The government do you this, the government do you that. If you not say you don't want to let the government quarantine you, for don't stay. You for just don't stay back. Stay back until they say free before you enter. Because anyone person will get this sick inside salon, you know how many thousands of people that will get involved? Every time they talk about politics, and now we put politics aside and work together. At the diaspora, America, when government tell you say sit down, I get my move, you don't get my move. You dey sit down there. Why your policy? Why your country? Why your president? They talk to you, you know they take her. Why? Waiting on a problem. Sierra Leonean waiting on a problem. Not so you degree where you get, not so you masters, not so you professor, but you intelligence. Use your brain. Use your brain. Stay home. Stay back. They say not travel. Why you move can? May God help we all. May God help we all. May God help we all. This is our sister. Una lovely sister. And never mind, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Lively Baby. Love you all.